Creating personalised products from wood is a great hobby. It can also make you money. You can sell handcrafted products on eBay, Etsy, or open your very own online shop. Start your own woodworking business today.
What?
It's easy. You can set your CNC machine to create anything that you want. Simply input the directions and the CNC machine will create fantastic products carved from wood within hours. But are CNC machines expensive? Yes. Buying a CNC machine is very expensive. But did you know that you can make your own CNC machine from parts found in a local DIY store? That's right, you can build your own CNC machine by following these easy step-by-step instructions. Once you follow this link below, you will see how easy and how enjoyable it can be to build your own CNC machine and start a business from your very own home.